Hello everyone, welcome to another Saturday Morning Makes hosted by Jill Norwood. I'm going to link her channel in the description box. So let me show you, the supplies I use to create my projects. I use this honeybee die. This is an old die called a mason jar card, large one. I use this die by Mama Elephant. I don't know what's the name. Yeah, to make like a border. And the start of the show is this stamp of the month for Tonic Studios. So we have like ice cream and strawberries and cherries, so beautiful. And it comes with coordinating dies and separate dies if you want to build, your ice cream or your sundae. So let me show you my cards. So I created this shaker card. So cute. So I used this die and added some glitter and these, I don't know what you call these. It's like a clay. So this is the first one. The second card, the Sunday one. So cute. And this is an embossing folder. I think I have it here. Yes.
One eternity later.
Okay, I can't find I couldn't find the embossing folder, but this is how it looks like. Sorry about that. And this circle die by Emma, by my creative time. So cute. The third card, also using the same set, this jar die. So this paper by Pink Fresh Studios. Then I filled all the ice cream, I filled them, with Nouveau drops. Different colors. And when you open it, so I can just stab my sentiment. I think I'm going to add a paper or something. So this is the third one. Last but not least, which is my favorite, I think, this one. So again, used Nouveau drops to fill the cream. These are ready-made sentiment by Simon Says Stamps. Come in like this, so you can cut it and adhere it to your project. And this circle border die by Lawn Fawn. Yeah, I need just to add it to my card base. Yeah, so I made these 4 cards. I hope you like them, and please give this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye guys!